You searched how to buy shares of Motorola Solutions, Inc. Motorola Solutions provides mission-critical communications and public safety technology and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MSI. This walkthrough is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MSI to locate the stock. Make sure you select Motorola Solutions, Inc. from the search results. Open the asset page to view basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name, the MSI ticker, and the NASDAQ market to ensure it's the correct listing. Click Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to purchase, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading resumes. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before allowing the final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed. The example platform link is in the description if you want to visit the site shown in this walkthrough.